Welcome to Quad RC.
Hello everybody, welcome to Quad RC. In today's video we have the Savage XL version 2, we've got the Beast Pro, we have the Sweep Pro, we have the Hyper Go, we have a boat, there's some water around here, and we have a Ford Raptor look-alike. We're gonna make it go at least 30 miles an hour. Please, if you want to, like and subscribe. I'll have to strip it and clean it. Like 30%. Oh, it'll be fine. Hey. The walk of shame. The mountings broke off. I'll just have to make another plan with the mountings. But the body's still good. The remote is a bit big for one hand driving, but it's manageable. Oh. Servo has a big delay and it can't turn if it's standing still. Looks like they brought us a plastic bag. They think we're gonna stay here. Oh, it's somebody else's. I want to get some of the mud off. I have to replace that servo. That steering is quite slow. I don't want to run into one of these tree stumps. I've been driving on those Ovonic 2 cells probably for more than an hour now. I haven't been doing any ramps, just a bashing. It's a 6200 milliamp, but they keep up very good. Oh, I hit a tree stump. Oh. Oh, what happened? Oh, that's dangerous, eh? You're gonna get that thing out. Even if it had a body on it, it's still gonna happen. Look at those helium covers. Oh, not so tough anymore. Got more, like $2 for 10. Oh, that steering servo is just bad. I can't drive that well, but got another stick in it. Let's get out of these sticks. So this is a UDI boat. It's got a 390 motor in it. It's a cheapie. It's like $90, and it takes the usual batteries like this. It's got a kinky remote. I just bypassed that water switch. When it goes into, it must be in the water, then those two conduct through, and then it can drive, so you don't cut off your finger. And this one here is when you roll over, it doesn't work always. Then you can bring it up back. Just put batteries in it and put it in the water. So it's got a seal there. Just put this in there. It closes up quite tight. Just test it. Switch it on. Switch it on there. So it's blinking and it's not connected.